Meaning of idyll.
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 Idyll. The word idyll refers to a peaceful and picturesque scene, typically a rural one, that is associated with an idealized way of life. It can also refer to a short poem or prose piece describing such a scene. The idyll often conveys a sense of simplicity, harmony, and contentment, and is often contrasted with the bustle and stress of urban life. In literature, the genre of the idyll was popular in ancient Greece and Rome, and has been revived throughout history as a literary form to express pastoral themes and ideals.